In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template to your Miro board. Miro is an amazing online collaborative whiteboard platform that's perfect for team brainstorming and idea development. If you're looking to streamline your planning or simply boost your team's productivity, adding a template to your board can be a fundamental step. Let's dive right in and see how you can do this effortlessly. First, after logging into your Miro account and making sure you're in the right team workspace, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is the hub from which you can manage your boards. To kick things off, head over to the Explore Templates option. It's generally located at the top or in the menu, depending on the version and layout of your dashboard. Clicking here brings up a world of ready-made templates tailored for various purposes like brainstorming, mind mapping, and project management, just to name a few. Once you've accessed the Template Explorer, take a moment to browse through the vast collection. If you have something specific in mind, use the search bar to find a template that suits your needs. For example, if you're planning a project, simply type in Project Plan to filter the results and find a template that closely aligns with your goals. This search tool can help narrow down your options quickly, especially if you're in a hurry. After finding the ideal template, it's time to put it to use. You'll spot a Use Template button, usually located beside or below the template's preview. Clicking on this button will essentially prepare the template for you to adapt and utilize on your own board. Next, you'll have the option to use a blank template. This might sound a bit counterintuitive if you've just chosen a pre-made template, but what this does is apply the chosen design to a blank board so that you have a clean slate to start customization. Selecting this will import the template into a new or existing Miro board. Finally, to make sure that you're in a space where your team can collaborate, hit the Create Team Board button. This ensures that the board, along with your newly added template, is available for your team to view and edit, fostering a collaborative environment. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you have successfully added a template to your Miro board. This functionality not only saves you time, but also enhances how you and your team can manage projects visually. You can adjust and modify the template as needed, allowing each member to contribute to the plan and achieve productive sessions. Thanks for watching and happy collaborating.